You get to say dun dun dun.
Dun dun dun.
Alright. KBM, breaking news, man! Look what we got over here at the island of Yosinki, man! We're braiding a hat. It's gonna be great. We got all the Baptist brains ahead these days. Man, can you tell me what's going on, man? Tell me what I'm doing, man.
I don't know. I don't know what she's doing. She's actually making me stand here holding my own hair.
I'm telling you, man. These Baptists, we got some crazy ideas up in here. We're gonna braid the hair. We're gonna man on the couches next. Jesus is working in these areas, man. I'm telling you, man, he's working real hard. Real hard. We're gonna take the kids on the hike tomorrow, and I'm going to pull her out now. Oh, come on, I'll tell you, that's all enough for the KBM breaking news today. Tune in tomorrow for KBM breaking news.